General Raheel Sharif, the vanguard of Pakistan's fight against terrorism and champion of national unity. Early life and background. General Raheel Sharif was born on June 16, 1956, in Quetta, Pakistan, into a prominent military family. His father, Major Muhammad Sharif, was a war veteran, and his elder brother, Major Zarb-e-Azb Sharif, was a national hero who was posthumously awarded Pakistan's highest military honor, the Nishan-e-Haider, for his bravery during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Growing up in a family with a strong military ethos, Raheel Sharif was deeply inspired by the legacy of service and sacrifice, education and military career. Raheel Sharif received his early education in Lahore and later joined the prestigious Pakistan Military Academy, PMA, in Karkul. He graduated from PMA with distinction, earning a commission in the Frontier Force Regiment in 1976. Throughout his career, he gained extensive experience in command, staff, and instructional assignments. Sharif also pursued professional military education abroad, including advanced training at the Royal College of Defence Studies in the United Kingdom. His exposure to international military standards further honed his strategic thinking and leadership capabilities. Rising through the ranks. As Raheel Sharif climbed the military hierarchy, he held several key positions, including command of an infantry division and a corps. His leadership and strategic insight earned him recognition within the Pakistan Army. He also served as the Inspector General for Training and Evaluation, a position where he played a critical role in enhancing the operational readiness and professional development of the armed forces. Appointment as Chief of Army Staff. In November 2013, Raheel Sharif was appointed as the 15th Chief of Army Staff, COAS of Pakistan, by then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. His appointment came during a period of intense security challenges for the nation, including